Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. This game is called compound nouns. They are nouns, but they are two words or three or more. It's a little bit difficult, so we'll make it for level 3. Number 1. Bob is not his family name. It's not his middle name. It is his. Bob is his first name. What's your first name? He will buy it at the. This is a big thing that you put money into, and then you can buy something, but no people work there. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Vending machine. Will you watch the tonight? This is an event in the sky when the moon goes into the Earth's shadow. Lunar eclipse. The other one is called a solar eclipse. She likes to listen to. Especially Friday night and Saturday night. She likes to listen to dance music for dancing. These are all kinds of music. This one is about driving a car. Why don't you like to drive during? These are 2 times of the day, in the morning and in the afternoon, when the traffic is very heavy. Rush hour. But when we speak really fast, rush hour. The next one has this, RV. It stands for recreational vehicle. Please check your dictionaries. Okay, now you know what RV means. It's like a little house on a truck. Now we want to say one that is 10 years old. Which one's correct here? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Number 3 is correct. If you put 10-year-old together, you need 2 hyphens, and then it becomes an adjective. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers. 3 is an odd number. 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers. This was invented in Germany, in Europe, about 600 years ago. It was the first machine for making books in Europe. The Gutenberg Press. In China, they were already printing books, but this was the first one in Europe. Bob is a loner. He doesn't have a big. This means he doesn't have a lot of friends and he doesn't go out much. Social life. He doesn't have a big social life. This is something that's made to make things look good, but they might not really be going good behind the scenes. A Potemkin village, similar to a facade. Bye-bye.